Welcome back. Here on this video we will see the instance type and instance type explorer. Let's see first about the instance types. Here you can see that Amazon EC2 offers a wide selection of customized instance types to fit different use cases. Instance types have different combinations of CPU, memory, storage and networking capacity and give you the flexibility to choose the appropriate mix of resources for your applications. Here you will get a different kind of instance type as per your requirements and needs. General purpose, compute optimized, memory optimized, accelerated computing, storage optimized, and instance features and so on. Each instance type includes one or more instance sizes, allowing you to scale your resources according to the needs of your workload. General purpose. General purpose instances provide you a balance of compute, memory, and networking resources and great for a diversity of workloads. The applications uses these resources such as web servers and code repositories. We will go to see about the T2 here because it is completely free tier eligible and low cost general purpose instance type. T2 instances are the burstable performance instances which provides a baseline level of CPU performance. For most general purpose workloads, this instances provides the ample performance without any additional charges. It includes high frequency Intel Xeon processor, burstable CPU, low cost with free tier for 12 months, along with balance of compute, memory, and network resources. When its CPU utilization exceeds the baseline on free tier eligible, then charges may apply if T2.micro configured as T2 Unlimited. Here in this chart, you can see the various instances under T2 type. For T2.nano instance, you will get one virtual CPU with 3 CPU credits per hour and 0.5 gigabytes of memory with low network performance. For T2.micro instance type, you will get one virtual CPU with 6 CPU credits per hour, 1 gigabyte memory with low to moderate network performance. Click on the documentation for more detail. All the given instances have the following specifications and according to your needs you can go with. If your requirements is up to 3.3 GHz Intel scalable processor, then can go with T2.nano, T2.micro, T2.small and T2.medium instance type. If you like to go with 3 GHz Intel scalable processor, then can choose T2.large, T2.xlarge and T2.2xlarge instance type. These types of instances used for website and web applications, for development, to build servers, for code repositories, etc. Now we will see the documentation here. As you can see here, EC2 burstable instance type with processor family, and these two instances can be supported for on-demand instances, reserved instances, dedicated instances, and that is T3 only, dedicated host and spot instances. Now we will see about the M5 instances type. M5 instances are the latest generation of general purpose instances which is powered by Intel Xeon Platinum 8175M processors, and this instance family provides a balance of compute, memory and network resources. It has good features as well, up to 3.1 GHz Intel Xeon Platinum processor, new larger instance size that is M5 24x large offering 96 virtual CPUs and 384 gigabytes of memory. It provides enhanced networking up to 25 Gbps network bandwidth. Here on this chart you can see the various instance size and types of it. M5 large instance size provides the 2 virtual CPU, 8 GB memory, up to 10 Gbps network bandwidth. M5 large gives 4 virtual CPU, 16 gigabytes memory. You can see here double than M5 large on M5 large. You will get to see double than M5 large on M5 large here. M5 large, which means this M indicates that instance class. 5 means generation. AWS improve it generally, like after 5, 6 will come. 2x large, and that is it shows the size within the instance class. Here on this instance size, you will get 8 virtual CPU with 32 GB memory and up to 10 Gbps network bandwidth. M5.Metal and M5D.Metal provides 96 logical processors on 48 physical cores. They run on single servers with 2 physical Intel sockets. All the above given instances type have the following specifications as given here. Up to 3.1 GHz Intel's Xeon Platinum processors along with Intel Turbo, EBS optimized and enhanced networking. These types of instances uses for small and mid-sized databases, for data processing tasks, for running back-end servers, for SAP, Microsoft SharePoint, cluster computing and other enterprise applications. I will be using T2.micro instance on my all videos, which is a general purpose EC2 instance. Now we'll see about the compute optimized. Compute optimized instances are the great for compute bound applications that benefit from high performance processors. If you want to do or are doing like batch processing workloads, media transcoding, high performance web servers, high performance computing, scientific modeling, dedicated gaming servers and AD server engines, machine learning and other compute intensive applications, then you will require the high performance processors. Memory optimized. It is providing the fast performance for workloads that process large data sets in memory. Support for enhanced networking with up to 25 Gbps of network bandwidth. EBS optimized by default, power by the AWS Nitro systems. Combinations of dedicated hardware and lightweight hypervisor memory intensive applications such as open source databases, in-memory caches and real-time big data analytics. Accelerated computing. Accelerated computing instances provides or it uses the hardware accelerators, coprocessors to perform functions such as floating point number calculations, graphic processing or data pattern matching more efficiently than is possible in software running on CPUs. This can be used in the scenario when we are doing any tasks such as machine learning, high performance computing, computational fluid dynamics, computational finance, seismic analysis, speech recognition, autonomous vehicles, and drug discovery. Storage optimized. This instance type provides the great sequential read and write access to large data sets on local storage and are optimized to deliver tens of thousands of low latencies while accessing any applications. Now we will go to see the Instance Explorer. It provides a wide selection of over 400 instances type optimized to fit different use cases as per your business needs and requirements. The instances are given here for your suitable workloads to manage and implement. Just scroll down to see Amazon EC2 T2 instances that it is used for microservices, low latency applications to interact with small and medium databases, virtual desktops for development and code repositories. Here in key technologies, you can see that up to 3 or 3.3 GHz Intel scalable processor, up to 8 virtual CPU, up to 32 GB of memory, and up to 5 Gbps network bandwidth. Here on another tab, I will show you the Amazon EC2 instance comparison page on instances.vantage.sh website. Here you can easily understand and get various types of instances with their name, memory, virtual CPU, internal storage, network performance and lot of things. You can see region wise instances here, like I am looking for Asia Pacific Mumbai regions, what and how many instances type will get on these regions. Scroll down to see the T2.micro instance as it is showing here, 1 GB of memory with 1 virtual CPU and low to moderate network performance. As it is free tier eligible, so we can go with this instance type only for my training lab. Even we can filter here as per our needs and requirements to check its cost also for hourly basis, daily, weekly, monthly and annually. If you want to go to reserve this instance for a year, that is no upfront, 1 year that is full upfront. I will talk about this later on. As per your business needs and requirements, as you can check here price list for each types of instances and what specific instance will get with that instance type and many more you can get and understand about it very easily. Okay guys, here I'm ending this video and will see you on my next video. Till then, have a great day and bye bye.